Well-designed wet rooms and shower areas are of paramount importance in your home or commercial settings, such as hotels or gymnasiums. Water damage caused by leaks can cost enormous amounts of time and money. Without a proper tanking solution, tile failure can cause a huge amount of damage. Water can penetrate your walls and floors, causing significant structural damage over time. A major concern is mould growth. Moisture from tanking issues creates the perfect environment for mould, which can lead to health problems and further property damage. Unsightly damp spots in ceilings not only indicate a problem, but can also lead to more severe issues if left untreated. Water can wreak havoc on the underlying materials like plasterboard and wood, compromising the integrity of your building's or home's structure. Grout failure, which leads to tile failure, water ingress, mould, substrate damage, and damp spots can cost a lot of time and money to fix. Introducing BW1, the ultimate tanking solution for everyone. Based on C-TEC's TRIBRID Technology with advanced polymer formulation, it has enhanced bonding and increased flexibility. The unique antibacterial formula is chemically enhanced to prevent and inhibit the development of mould and fungal growth. Easy to apply with a sponge roller, BW1 offers unparalleled protection against water damage, whether you're a homeowner or a business owner. BW1, the superior solution for healthier bathrooms and environments. BW1 is compatible with multiple substrates including concrete, brick, wood, plasterboard, cement fiberboard, foam backerboard, and much more. BW1, the ultimate antibacterial waterproofing system. TRIBRID Technology, unique antibacterial formula, no priming required, healthier bathrooms and environments, incredible flexibility, fuss-free application, save time and money. Use with BT1 and CT1. Made in Britain. From the makers of CT1. BW1. The ultimate antibacterial waterproofing system. Designed for the professional.